Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a full website using Squarespace in 2026. So if you want to build a professional site without coding, this guide will take you from start to finish step by step. First, go to Squarespace and create your account. You can start with a free trial, so you don't need to pay anything up front. Next, pick a template that matches your goal. Whether it's a business site, portfolio, or blog, choose a design that already feels close to what you want. Now open the editor. This is where you can change everything: text, images, sections, and layout, just by clicking and editing directly on the page. Start with your home page. Add a strong headline, a short description, and a clear call to action so visitors instantly understand your website. Now add essential pages like about, services, blog, or contact. These pages help visitors navigate your site easily. Next, upload images and add your content. Keep everything clean, simple, and easy to read so your website feels professional. Now adjust your fonts, colors, and overall branding. Consistency is key here. It makes your website look more polished and trustworthy. Finally, connect your domain and click Publish. Once you do that, your website will be live and accessible to everyone online. And that's it. You've successfully created a website using Squarespace. From here, just keep updating your content and improving your design over time.